Is right now the perfect time to buy CorMedix? And where could the price be going next? Those are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video, and to answer the first question, is right now the perfect time to buy, we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around this low, price went up to this high before we started seeing this retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is usually in the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. This dark green area is known as the golden zone, and it's where most stock prices tend to come down to before finding some strong support and bouncing back up. We can see that is what happened last time with CorMedix, but more recently the price has come back down here again. So based on this, what are some good areas where we might want to consider entering? The first area is going to be around the current price, which is $7.34. It's close to the end of the golden zone, and there is a good chance that price could find support here and start climbing back up. However, in some cases we do see the price break below the golden zone and find support at this area. This is $5.80. So entry strategy you might want to consider is getting in around the current price and dollar cost average at this level if the price continues retracing down to here. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding the CorMedix stock or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I put together a free video explaining how I use this strategy to find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is as the price starts climbing up, these are the areas where we tend to see the strongest resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first area is going to be around here. This is $13.25. The next level is going to be around $15. And the third level is going to be around here, which is $17.18. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels, so if you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that would help out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.